it from both sides. Today's video will be about one glitch. You can do it from the bottom or the top. I put my game invites on. It looks like Autumn is fading. This is Glitches Part 2, and it will be in Cerebria Forest. You can do it from the bottom of the slide or the top of the slide. Autumn just said her butt is glitching in the tree. Oh my gosh, it is. Well, if this is how you do it from the bottom, or I don't know. Come, Autumn, come. Now we do it from the top, which is a bit harder. You click a jammer's tag, like there's the bunny girls. Then you click over near the world map. Yeah. Boop, boop. Oh my gosh! I just went down there with you and asking me for, like, oh my gosh, I just went down there. She just laughed and called me a sucker. I'm just saying what she's saying. She asked me what is wrong with me. No, I cannot stop saying what you're saying right now. She said, it just sounds so weird. Say what I say. Okay, we will try from the bottom. Autumn, come here right now. I need your tag. Autumn, I need your tag. Come right here. Okay, instead of clicking near the world map, like Autumn did, there's a hole in this tree. So the tree is click the hole, and then you click a game on blah 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 and done. Easy. Autumn said she had a wrong day because she had to do 2 concerts in school. Room day. A long day. They are on. And Autumn is failing. You saw me do it in my den. Yeah, and now I'm a non-member, so it's nearly the same, but you click somewhere different. You do the same thing with the tags and the games, but you click something different. Like, Autumn wants me to tell you that she's screaming at her laptop right now. computer then. Autumn, I'll come do it with you. Oh, don't be cheeky. You can't go up there. Well, I'm gonna be there. Whoosh. I'm up the slide. I'm actually sitting on the slide. She said Autumn doesn't care what she does. That's what you said. Oh my gosh, your wing is stuck in the tree. I'm seriously on the slide and you're sitting in midair. I am flying. Look, I'm flying over the slide because my wings are moving. You're not a squirrel and you're not getting revenge on me. You're not going to be better. Yeah. Ugh. I don't like romantic. Autumn's in a romantic place and she's acting real weird. By the way, she got to sit next to her crush in her school. If he does, if he does watch this video, then uh, then he would not understand English. Yeah, he doesn't learn good. You said everyone got 1 in the test of English. Yeah, this Lara got 10. And stop looking romantic, and I want to eat that cheeseburger. Autumn! I think we have time for one more glitch. In the castle den. Follow me. Follow me, Autumn. 1 second. Did you cycle that den or not? Do you know a friend which has a castle den? Do you know? Yeah, I'm a dog. Yeah, let's see the super. Huh? Cause I love corgi. I put a dog on because I love corgi. Record your face. No, record your face. 1 second. This is Autumn's hand. What? Which she just got away. Okay, I really need to find a castle den. Ah! I found a castle den and it looks different. Autumn, follow me.